Prince Harry had sought police protection after a threat from Al-Qaeda, he and his legal team reportedly claimed during his recent hearing in London. The Duke of Sussex has been immersed in a legal battle to appeal the removal of his automatic state-funded security in the UK and spent 2 days in London's Royal Courts of Justice last week. Some of those proceedings were held in a closed session, and according to the Telegraph, the Times, and more outlets who obtained court documents summarizing that session, Harry, quote, confirmed that he had requested certain protection after a threat was made against him by Al-Qaeda. His lawyer also reportedly told the court that the terrorist organization had called for Harry, quote, to be murdered since his security downgrade in 2020, and that a security team was told that Al-Qaeda had published a message saying the royal and the veteran of the British Armed Forces, quote, assassination would please the Muslim community. It was 5 years ago that Harry and his wife Meghan Markle's protection was downgraded, now only being provided on a case-by-case basis. That decision was made by a UK government body called the Royal and VIP Executive Committee, known as RAVIC, following his and Meghan's step back from senior royal duties and moved to North America. Harry has said they moved under the belief that their security wouldn't change. During the appeal proceedings, Harry's legal team argued that RAVIC, quote, diverted from procedure and, quote, singled him out for different, unjustified, and inferior treatment, per People magazine. His lawyer also emphasized during open session that the court, quote, not forget the human dimension to this case.
There is a person sitting behind me whose safety, whose security, and whose life is at stake. There is a person sitting behind me who is being told that he is getting a special, bespoke process when he knows and has experienced a process that is manifestly inferior in every respect.
Meanwhile, lawyers for the government argue that Harry's step back from working royal life resulted in a, quote, unique set of circumstances, and that therefore RAVIC was correct to approach his security in a tailored way, and the High Court was correct to uphold their decision in their favor last year.
We submit there is no proper basis for challenging the decision that bespoke assessment was appropriate. That was a position that RAVIC was entitled to take, a view that the chairman was entitled to reach. What mattered was the question of substance as to how they were going to deal with this unique set of circumstances, and to that issue they brought to bear all of the expertise and experience that you're well aware of.
The UK's Home Office, the department defending the appeal for RAVIC, previously told multiple outlets that it could not comment directly on the ongoing case, but shared in a statement, the UK government's protective security system is rigorous and proportionate. It is our long-standing policy not to provide detailed information on those arrangements, as doing so could compromise their integrity and affect individuals' security. According to the Telegraph, a decision in Harry's case is expected to be made after Easter, meaning it could come as early as next week.